Once again, your teacher vlogger Michelle is back, and we are here at the chocolate factory. Well, I'm so excited to show you around. These people are lining up for this chocolate factory tour. We'll show you more. With me is Hazel. Let's start. Hazel and in 1903, it says here, the Hershey chocolate factory is born. I don't even have to talk. It is cute. Yeah. There's the pig. Hershey Chocolate Factory. The milling. Milk and sugar. Chocolates! Oh my! Look at those! Ooh.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
They're all up there
She's happiness.
for shipping. Up ahead, smile for your picture. Yay! So that's the end of the tour. We're going to buy chocolates.